Hello friends, we are with the fresh topic of classification of algae according to F.E. Fritz. He classified algae based on various criteria such as pigmentation, which of the pigments are present in algae, type of flagella, whether the flagella are of equal length or of unequal length, what is the reserve food material in them, and what is the thallus structure. It is unicellular, multicellular, branched, unbranched. It is seen in the previous video, and the mode of reproduction, whether it is vegetative, asexual or sexual reproduction. These were the 5 criteria on the basis of which F.E. Fritz classified algae into 11 different classes. Let us study one by one. Class first is Chlorophyceae, also called green algae. Pigment present in it is chlorophyll A and B, carotenoid and xanthophyll. Flagella, if present, are of equal length. So flagella, if present, are of equal length, so equal length flagella are known as isoconte. Reserve food in them is starch. Thallus is unicellular, colonial, filamentous, thalloid or siphonaceous. Thallus structure has been explained in the previous video. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Reproduction is vegetative, asexual or sexual type. If sexual reproduction is present, then it is isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous type. It means it can be isogamous, the morphology of the gametes can be same, anisogamous when the morphology of the gametes is different, and oogamous when the male gamete is small and motile and the female gamete is large and stationary. This class is divided into 9 orders. Let us move to the second class, Xanthophyceae, also called yellow-green algae. Pigment present in it is chlorophyll A and E, beta-carotene and xanthophyll. Flagella are 2 in number and are of unequal length. When flagella are of unequal length, this is known as heteroconte. Food reserve present is oil. Reproduction in them is vegetative type, asexual type and sexual type. Asexual type of reproduction is isogamous type. Anisogamous and oogamous type is absent. Cell wall, it is made up of pectic substance with some amount of cellulose. Pectic substance is also present and cellulose is also present. Let us move to the third class of Chrysophyceae. Pigment present in it is chlorophyll A and C, phycochrysin. Flagella are 2 and of equal or unequal length. It means it can be heteroconte also and isoconte also. Food reserve is chrysolaminarin and leucosin. 2 food reserves are present. Reproduction is asexual and vegetative reproduction present. Sexual reproduction is very rare. If present also, then isogamous type of sexual reproduction is found. Cell wall is silicified or calcified. It means it contains silica or calcium but not cellulose. Chrysophyceae is divided into 3 orders. Let us look into fourth class, Bacillariophyceae, which include diatoms and is called yellow or golden brown algae. Pigment present is chlorophyll A and C, fucoxanthin, diatoxanthin, diadenosanthin. These pigments are very important. Flagella present is only single flagella. Food reserve is fat and volutin. This is very important. Reproduction, sexual reproduction by fusion and by formation of gametes or oxospores. Oxospores are formed or sexual reproduction is present by the fusion of gametes. Cell wall is pectic, silicified and of various substances. It means it is made up of pectic, pectin or silica or various other substances. Bacillariophyceae is divided into 2 orders. Let us go into the class 5th, Cryptophyceae. Pigment present in it is xanthophyll. Flagella are 2 in number and are of unequal length. It means they are heteroconte. Food reserve present is starch or oil. Reproduction can be vegetative and asexual reproduction is present. Sexual reproduction is very rare. If present also, then isogamous type is present and anisogamous and oogamous type is absent. Cryptophyceae is divided into two orders. Let us go to the sixth class, Dinophyceae. Pigment present is xanthophyll. Flagella are 2 in number. Food reserve is starch and fat. Reproduction is vegetative and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, if present, means it is rare and it will be of isogamous type. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. It is divided into 6 orders. Class Dinophyceae is divided into 6 other orders. Class 7th, Chloromenidinae. Pigment present in it is xanthophyll. Flagella are 2 in number and almost equal. It means isoconte. Food reserve is fat and oil. Reproduction is vegetative and asexual reproduction, but sexual reproduction is absent. This point is to be remembered that sexual reproduction in this class is absent. This class has only one order. Let us move to the other class, class 8, Eugleniinae. Pigment present is chlorophyll. Flagella is present 1 or 2. Food reserve is paramylon, which is a polysaccharide. This is to be learned. Reproduction is sexual reproduction in few forms of isogamous type. In few forms, sexual reproduction is seen and of isogamous type. It means the morphology of the gametes will be same. This class, Eugleniinae, is divided into 4 families. It does not contain any order, but it is divided into 4 families. Let us move to the other class, class 9th, Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae has the pigment chlorophyll A and C, beta carotene and xanthophyll and fucoxanthin. Flagella are 2 in number. They can be lateral, that is present on the sides, or subapical, present on upper or lower side. Food reserve present is mannitol, which is an alcohol, and laminarin, which is a polysaccharide, and fat. This is to be learned. Food reserves are to be learned. Reproduction is sexual reproduction. Which can be isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous type. It can be, the gametes can be of same morphology, of different morphology, and when male and female gametes are of different morphology and male gamete is motile and small and female gamete is large and stationary, we call it oogamous type. Cell wall is cellulosic with alginic and fucinic acid. It means cell wall contains cellulose, algin and fucinic acid. The class Phaeophyceae is divided into 9 orders. Let us move to the 10th class, Rhodophyceae. Pigment present in them is chlorophyll A and D, beta carotene, R-phycocyanin and R-phycoerythrin. Flagella is absent in them. This point is to be noted, and pigments are to be learned. Pigments are very important. Food reserve is Floridian starch. This is also to be learned. Class Rhodophyceae has Floridian starch as food reserve. Reproduction is advanced oogamous type. It means the male gamete is small and motile and it travels to the stationary and large female gamete and fuses with it to form the zygote. Cell wall, outer cell wall is pectic. It means it is made up of pectic, and inner is made up of cellulose. Rhodophyceae is divided into 7 orders. Let us move to the last class, which is Myxophyceae. Pigments present in it are chlorophyll A and C, phycocyanin, beta carotene, myxoxanthin and myxoxanthophyll. These pigments are very important. Flagella is absent. This point is to be learned. Food reserve is Cyanophycean starch. So at this point that Myxophyceae contains Cyanophycean starch as the food reserve. This is to be learned. Reproduction is vegetative and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is absent. This is also special that sexual reproduction is not found. Cell wall is made up of mucopolymers. It contains mucopolymers. It is divided into 5 orders. So this was the classification of algae on the basis of different criteria by F.E. Fritz. Thank you, friends.